Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
The rights of the self and body. It is the right of your nafs upon you that you should use your body fully in obedience to Allah, by giving to your tongue its right, to your hearing its right, to your sight its right, to your hand its right, to your stomach its right, to your leg its right, to your private parts its right, seeking the help of Allah in this task. The rights of the tongue. It is the right of the tongue that you should consider it too respectable to utter obscene language, and you should accustom it to good speech, and discipline it with good manners, and keep it silent, except in time of necessity and for spiritual and material benefit, and keep it away from useless talk which may cause much harm with little benefit, and you should be kind to people and say good things about them. The rights of the ears. It is the right of your hearing to keep it pure from listening to ghibah, backbiting, and listening to that which is unlawful to listen to. You should not turn it into a way to your heart except for noble talk which may create some good in your heart, or which may earn you a noble character, because it is a door which allows a talk to get to the heart, carrying to it different types of ideas, whether good or evil. The rights of the eyes. It is the right of your eyesight to lower it before that which you are not allowed to see, and not use it except in a place which gives you a lesson, by which you may increase your knowledge, because sight is the door of contemplation. The rights of the hands. It is the right of your hand that you should not stretch it to what is forbidden to you, otherwise you will earn punishment from Allah in the life and in hereafter, and condemnation from people in this life. And you should not hold it from that actions which Allah has made wajib on you. And you should increase the honor of your hand by withholding it from unlawful things, and by extending it for good deeds which are not even wajib, because if the actions of your hands are based on wisdom and nobility, surely you will get a good reward in the hereafter. The rights of the feet. It is the right of your 2 feet that you should not use them to go to that place which is forbidden to you. You should not make them your mount to pass through a disreputable road, because your feet are your transportation and are to take you on the path of religion and advancement. Remember, you have to stand on the bridge, Sirat, over Jahannam, so make sure that your feet do not slip and cause you to fall into the fire. The rights of the stomach. It is the right of your stomach that you should not turn it into a container for that which is haram, whether it be a little or a lot, and that you should not overeat because that will turn eating into gluttony and shamelessness, instead of giving you strength, and you should keep it under control when hungry or thirsty, because overeating, which sometimes ends even in dysentery, causes laziness, hinders from work and cuts a man away from every goodness and nobility, and over drinking, which ends sometimes in intoxication, makes a man look idiotic, ignorant and disgraced. The right of the private parts. It is the right of your private parts to protect them from what is unlawful to you, and to help yourself in this task by casting your eyes down, and, indeed, this is the best helper, and by often remembering death and warning yourself of the wrath of Allah and His punishment. And from Allah is the protection and the help.